Hello everyone and welcome back to CLGTart channel. Today I will make a small tutorial to show you guys how to create a motion effect with Medibang Paint Pro. You can see the example right now here in the screen. It is from Dice webtoon. You can see some blurry and moving from the direction that make the character kinda is moving its own body, and this effect is really easy to do with Medibang Paint Pro, and I will do it right now. So you can see the character I already made. For example, here that have the part right here that's in moving and kind of blurry. So I will turn this one off and go back with the basic one, the original one here. So when you want to do the motion effect in here with Medibang Paint Pro, you have to make sure on the character you draw with the color, everything in one layer. So you can see because I draw the character in a folder like this one and it's separate in layer, I have to combine all of them together. I don't want to lose the original folder like this one, so that's why I will duplicate them by holding Control or Command with J. Then I will turn this one off, the original folder off, and choose the folder I just duplicate. Go to the layer and choose Merge Folder, so it will become a layer like this one. Okay, next I will use the select tool here to select the part that I want the character moving. After I select this one, I will go to Filter and choose Motion Blur. So this one. Okay, now next you have to take the review. Why? Because maybe when you do the motion effect right now, you will see that the whole character in the image here is moving, but actually that in the real canvas is only moving the part that you select. Okay, so next the thing that you change the direction that you want to move direction here by holding and drag the compass. So it will be around here. Now you can check the preview here and change the intensity until you satisfied with the result. Around 40 is enough. So okay, and deselect by holding Control or Command with D. Okay, now it's look not really beautiful, so I will turn on the folder, the original folder again, and lower the opacity of this one. Sorry, wrong. Click the folder and lower the opacity of this one a little bit more around here, so it looks more beautiful. That will depend on your choice, and that is all about the motion effect with Medibang Paint Pro. Hope this will help you guys to create more beautiful comic. Thank you for watching and see you next time.